Hey guys, good morning. It's a very early morning. I'm heading out for a trek close by at Kurushimala and just to see the sunrise. So I'm here at Zostel in Vagamon. I couldn't vlog yesterday after I came, so I'll be doing it today. Look at this. It's all mist. I think there's a temple close by on one of the hills there. So early morning devotional songs are being played there. Okay, I'll start off from here. I'll reach the location where the sunrise happens and I'll get back. So this is the view that I could find before sunrise. I actually don't know whose property this is or whom this place belongs to. But then I just saw a gate without a lock in it. So I just parked the bike and got onto this hilltop. Just a small walk. My bike is there and I'm here. It's 6:15 in the morning. I'm just enjoying the view. I'll just stay here until somebody chases me away for illegal trespassing. I'm not going to cause any harm. I'm not sure if this was the place that Balu had asked me to come and enjoy the glimpse of the sunrise. Then I think I found a good spot for myself. Not a huge trek and all. If I would have just sat outside this gate and I would have done it, then I just had to break some rules once in a while. There goes. I open the gate, I lock it. And there he is. It's so misty after sunrise, is the mist. Outside. Done with tea. Just back to the hostel, get freshened up. Let's see what I can do next. This is the place where I stayed last night. This is where I checked in. Zostel. Lovely place. The location is excellent. This is what you get to view early in the mornings. Oh, there is a small lake here with boating facilities. I'm in the clouds basically. Common area now. So that was a common room. And see now. And let's go to the place. Roommates, so I have the entire place to myself. It's clean, it's neat. I have a long day, plans and stuff that I should do today. Let's see how far I can accomplish what I've set to do.
Yeah. That's it, Woo! So, since how many years are you? 7 years. Where are you from?
Himachal.
Oh, Manali. So this entire thing is a suicide point.
Yeah. There is suicide point is that down.
Oh, this is down, that's all. This is cliff. So I am right above the suicide point. Nice. There is no trekking allowed here.
No. Okay.
It's like a baby seat. They have locked it. How many years does it take to learn this sport? How long
There
does
is a course actually.
Okay.
So basic course only 2 week course.
Okay.
Only 2 weeks.
Oh, we came so far.
You start from.
We started from there. Shit. They're traveling so fast. Here goes. Seriously, you're joking. Whoa! Whoa! Whee! Woo! Way! Oh, that's like one sudden break all of a sudden. Cool, man. Ah, 1 second, blood started pumping. Any suicides that have happened here, as of your knowledge? No one jumped from here, huh? But
No.
when you go to Kodaikanal, Munnar, and all, you have stories, no, that happen.
I never heard. I don't know. Whole story.
No, if it's a suicide point, then it has to.
In front of me, nobody is suicide, huh?
In front, how can you allow them to do it also? Oh, now we are down. Bye bye again. Again. Okay, landing didn't happen. So it's quite tricky.
Tricky.
It's not something that. He's going to hold on to me, huh? Woo! That's touchdown.
Enjoy?
Seriously. It finished too fast actually. We feel like that now on.
After the paragliding adventure, I just came back to Zostel, had lunch and had a short nap. In the evening, me and Balu went out for an offbeat trek close by Zostel itself. I couldn't capture any videos since the trek was a bit challenging and the climb was a little steep. So only the photos that are available are here. There are certain things that can't be captured on the camera. You have to experience it here. You have to come to Vagamon. I'm surely coming back. I have a lot of adventure left. Then, let's begin. Zostel Vagamon. Check. It's Friday. We're riding back to Bangalore. I hope it's not as hot as the way when I came. It did get quite hot in the afternoon. I decided to ride back to the same way I came because I didn't experience any bad roads. It was all nice. Stopped for a break and I had to face this issue. It's happened during the ride itself. I'm on the bypass road from Salem to Bangalore and the huge jam, it feels for kilometers from far away. As I started early from Vagamon, I made up real good time on the highway. I reached as expected at 3 o'clock in the afternoon with no issues. Small bike issues but nothing major. It was all fine. I definitely feel better after this ride. See you until the next journey.